actually made money too. A little old Nas. I have no idea what everything else is doing here. Give me a sec. I missed that step. US 30. US 30, not the same. No, the Nas is a perfect sell stop sniper entry. Actually, we'll go over that. Alright, let's get this one there. I'm not going to stay long. It's just going to be a quick little call out stuff. That's all. We are live on TikTok. Yep, live on TikTok. Live on YouTube. Again, it's going to be very quick. You just made money on that 1 minute itself. So, yeah, I don't know about live, but I have to see it. Whatever. Who was that guest on Friday? Phil. Was it Friday? Why is it not changing? Alright, anyways, hope you guys can see okay on YouTube and TikTok. Good evening, Chris and Gary Ramundo and George Hyde and Candle Envy. Good evening, Kim, Apollonia. Good evening, everybody. Everybody on TikTok and YouTube. All right. Great, happy to be here. What's up, Lila? What's up? Not today. Says, good evening, Kevin Bri. And Bri is here, actually. He says good evening to you all. Hey, Tanny. Hey, Kent. What's up, Blessed Life? Just had a beautiful sell stop right when I first popped on. I don't know if it caught it, though. I'm not sure if you're live everywhere. This is a sell stop, regular on NAS 100. A beautiful little drop right here. It's not much, about 10 pips. But a beautiful little sniper entry, actually, too. Showing you how accurate that is. And we have some other things here. We'll get that in a second. Good evening, Bri. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, says Campbell.
Thank you. I hope you did also.
We've been busy this weekend, haven't we?
Yeah.
Just staying home. I'll tell you what, that's a big rule. Good evening, D Nice. Catch in on that. Yay, Norman. Yay, congratulations. Good evening. Good evening, CP Sleepy Doc. Cute name. CP Sleepy Doc. CP Sleepy Doc. Huh. Alan C. Fleming. Good evening, Alan. Not today said, good evening, Kevin and Bri. Catching on Naz. Yay. Sorry for that sample to find myself, Chris. What's up, Amlacar Spezia? I call myself. You call yourself Philip. Philip, that's his last name. Good morning, Aaron. I actually know his last name. That's shocking. Good morning, John C. Norman, congratulations again on cashing in on NAS. Easy little play. Perfect play. Absolute perfection. We'll go over, I don't know if people on TikTok can see how many charts I have open now. But I have a lot of charts open at one time. Yeah. Because I'm perfecting the 1 minute already is perfected, the 5 minute, which is pretty much perfected, and I think I have the 15 minute for the sniper. Not yet, but the sniper originally started, about 4 or 5 months ago as a 1 minute test. I got that worked out, and then just a few weeks ago I was able to get the 5 minute chart worked out, and I think you're going to be able to do 15 minute snipes also. So the sniper is going to work for 1 minute, 5 minute for sure, and I think we're going to have the 15 minute worked out by the time we open. So the new sniper thing people were talking about is going to work 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute. And I'm going to keep going until I get to the 1 hour working also, and then I'll stop with the sniping. But I'm pretty stubborn, so I'm pretty sure I can get that 1 hour. I've gotten the 1 minute, 5 minute really, really, really good, and I think the 15 minutes coming. Good evening, Joe Leggio. NAS headed to the daily line. Is NAS headed to the daily line? No. Well, should it? Yes. Is it going to? Not anytime in this neighborhood, no. It's rebooting for a 4-hour buy stop is what it's doing at this moment. We'll go over that later, not right now. God bless you, Shash. All right, so anyway, here we go. We're going to go ahead and go over 14 symbols. We're starting with gold. We're going to go over gold, oil, XRP. We're going to go over Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD, CAD, USF, EUR, USD. We're going to go over all of these things. So here we go with gold. Hold on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen. Things are about to get real. Sell stop to the blue line, gold. Sell stop, 1 minute, blue line, gold. Next. 15-minute buy stop. Hold on. I gotta see something on this piece. Yes. 15-minute buy stop to the blue line, gold. It's going to go down and touch the red line on gold, 30-minute, and then it will go and arch back up to the blue line again. That's what it's going to do. And yep, that's correct, and that is correct. So everything I just said is correct. That's gold. Good evening, Terry Gross. Good evening, Annie. I won't say Leland. Let's see. Good evening, two silly Siberians. Cute kitties. What's their names? Fluffy and Muffy?
Moki and Soki.
Pokey and Soki?
Moki.
Moki and Soki?
Moki and Soki.
They're so beautiful. Beautiful cats. Good kitties.
Moki and Soki.
You have God on your side to get it right. It says not today. I give him all the credit. I don't know if he's bothering with this stuff, though. It's kind of silly, but maybe. Oil. Oil, oil, U.S. oil. Here we go. U.S. oil. Here we go. Go. Here we go. Not a financial advisor. I'm pulling that shit off. You guys know I'm not. Oil, 1 minute. Do. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 1 minute sell stop, oil, U.S. oil specifically. Then what shall we develop into U.S. oil? It's going to hook and go down. It's going to go down. It's going to form a 15-minute buy stop, U.S. oil. So it's going to go down the blue line, form a buy stop. That's all you need to know about U.S. oil. XRP is in the house. XRP. XRP, 1 minute sell. Look at how beautiful that was. Wow, look at XRP. Dip. Where's she going to? Negative. No. Let's go up. XRP. Too late for 1 minute anything. Oh, look at XRP. Gee, is it going down to its... Let me take care of this line right here. Object list. You guys never deleted objects. You go under all, list all, go to your horizontal, vertical lines. You can delete those. And that wasn't it. Maybe this one was it. Delete. Yes, that was it. Those. Not delete it. Just those. There we go. And we've been calling for a... And it did it again. Are you kidding me? You annoying thing. Let me take it off this way then. Yes, it is a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the blue line, XRP. XRP then is a daily buy stop to the blue line. Weekly sell stop to the blue line. Monthly buy stop, XRP. Ethereum and Bitcoin, they run together. Ethereum and Bitcoin, they're joined at the hips. Ethereum and Bitcoin kind of looks exactly like what XRP is, isn't it? Ethereum. La-da-dee-da-da-dee-da-da-dee-da. Ethereum, let's see. All right, here we go. Ethereum. Can't get it. It's too late for the 1 minute sell stop. It's already happened. It's already happening. 15 minute? Can I get a 15 minute? Let me see something going on. Ethereum, 1 hour blue touch. So we're fine. Ethereum, 1 minute sell stops to the 4 hour blue line, but that's going to be a while. Ethereum. Come on now. We're going to be forming something on the buys. That's a sell too. Ethereum, daily. Okay, it's going to hook down and form us a daily. Really?
I don't see.
Siri, thanks for not seeing something. Ethereum daily, it's going to form a daily buy stop. Ethereum weekly sell stop. Ethereum monthly buy stop. Bitcoin and Ethereum move together, i.e. usually Bitcoin leads the way. You'll see Bitcoin move along with Ethereum. That's just what they do. And here we go on this one. We have Bitcoin. 1 minute too late. too late. Are we going down to the 4 hour here? Hold on. 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Where is it? Yep, 1 hour sell to 30 minutes? Is it 30 minute? Yeah. Bitcoin, 1 minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. Yeah, 30-minute blue line, that's where it's heading to. Let's see, 5 minute, no, nothing. 15-minute, nothing. 30-minute, nothing. Let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop. It's going to dip down. Ooh, this is looking interesting. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. USD CAD. And Ethereum. 1 minute USD CAD. Buy stop. Specifically to the 15-minute red line. Then after which case, let me see, is there a blue line up here? There is. So either to the 15-minute blue line, red line, or to the 1 minute blue line, doesn't matter. Buy stop 1 minute USD CAD. Then it will form a 15-minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. And then I don't really care about USD CAD for that. Yeah, maybe a 4 hour buy stop to the blue line. Weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line, USD CAD. We're good. Udashef. Udashef is the complete opposite of ERUSD. Let me see something in Udashef real quick. Sell stop is fully engaged. Let me see ERUSD. And look at the buy. So oh my gosh, this is really pissing me off. So go back and watch this. From 629.23, I've been calling for a damn buy stop on ERUSD, and dang gone it if it didn't take, what is that, a week? 629, 630, 673. Okay, I don't know, it's longer than a week. So 7 days, 6-7 trading days for the buy stop to engage. I kept telling you, ERUSD 4 hour buy stop and Udashef 4 hour sell stop, and now it did it. Finally, I don't know when this happened, somewhere around here. 7-7 started to move. Let me see on ERUSD. Look at that. If you'd have listened to me, 71 pips. Holy tomatoes. Is this a triple bottom? That's all this was. They'll do doubles, they'll do singles, doubles, and triples. That's what they do. And this is a triple bottom, is what this is. Dang gone. Perfect on the snipe, by the way. Anywho, not there yet on the 4 hours. So just all right. So ERUSD is the opposite, as I always tell you in the higher time frames and Udashef. So whenever I call out for ERUSD, it's the opposite. 1 minute sell stop ERUSD. To the blue line ERUSD. 1 minute sell stop ERUSD. 1 minute sell stop. I'm stalling while I flip over the other ones. 1 minute sell stop. Let's see where she's going to. To the 15-minute red line or the 1 minute blue line. They're pretty much virtually the same, by the way. Forming a, next up, 15 or 30-minute buy stop. So it's just going to go down, reload, and come back up again. That's ERUSD. Nothing you can do on this 1 minute sells unless you can do 1 minute sell stop to the blue line or 1 minute sell stop to the 15-minute red line, either or 30-minute red line, whichever one. That's going to arch up and do a buy stop. That's ERUSD. GBP USD. Oh, by the way, ERUSD is a daily buy to the blue line, as I've been calling this daily buy to the blue line since 5/16 to be exact. And it's still just working its way up to the blue line, just so you're clear. Isn't that beautiful? Daily buy stop, weekly sell stop to the blue line, monthly to the monthly blue line, sorry. GBP NZD, GBP NZD, GBP NZD, GBP NZD. I say it enough times, GBP NZD. What are we doing here with this shit? This is a buy stop to the blue line. GBP NZD, buy stop to the blue line. Then it's going to turn into a 5 minute buy stop. And that's it. We're good. All right. It is a, well, no, we're good. I'm not going to call it. GBB JPY, GY, GBB JPY, GBB JPY, GBB JPY. Guarantee that's a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. And bammo! Already happened. 1 minute buy stop to blue line, and I think we're going to go all the way up to the 5 minute. Yes, we are. Look for any 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. After which time, be prepared because it's going to form GBP, JPY, GBP, it's about to do it now. It's going to form a 30-minute sell stop. GBP, JPY. Where's the 30-minute sell stop going down to? Oh, the 30-minute blue line. Well, that does make sense. 1 hour. Yep, nothing. 4 hour buy stop. 4 hour daily buy stop. 4 hour buy stop. I already hit the monthly blue line. I've called that out for the last 6 months, 7 months. SPX is in the house. Here we go. SPX. Here we go. SPX. Here we go. SPX. Here we go. SPX. And SPX. I'm using 4 charts because that's how you guys will be reading the sniper soon. Don't ask. It's advanced. You guys are going to die, but I'll try to make it simple for you. Red sell stop. Are we going to... No. Did we hit it already? Did we hit it? Did we hit it? Hold on. Let me see our charts. Negative. We have not hit this blue line. Yep. Let me see long term though. Hold on a second here. Hold on. 30 minute. Oh, that's because we're in that 30-minute sell. Ba-da-dum, 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 bum, bum. Nope. It's going to drop a little further here. Ba-da-dum, 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 dum, dum, ba-da-dum, 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 dum, dum. 1 hour. 4 hour. Buy stop. 4 hour buy stop. So it's going to dip a little bit more. Interesting. We'll come back to the finished product on that one. NAS 100. NAS 100. NAS 100. NAS 100. NAS 100. 1 minute sell stop. Where is she going? We've already hit them. NAS 100 is already in it, so NAS is going to the 30 minute. Oh, NAS hit its 15-minute blue line a second ago because that wasn't filled in. This is amazing. Wait till you guys get this scan. You're just going to die with the heaven. NAS 100 still calling out that 30-minute from Friday, by the way, which I was right on with the 15 and the 30. If you'd made the last hour of the day, you'd have made your money on that sell, by the way. US 30 NAS and SPX still calling for it. 30-minute sell stop to the blue lines. Yeah, okay, that works. But let me keep going. I gotta get something else here. Sell, yeah. 1 minute sell, yeah. Blah blah blah. NAS gonna go to its 30-minute line. Oh, that's what the question was. Yes, I do believe so. Not on this push though. Ooh. Play any 1 minute sell stop to the NAS 30-minute blue line. That's what I'm telling you to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't listen to some idiot like me. 4 hour buy stop. So 1 minute sell stop. Let's get this put up and put this in volume. You're not specific enough. Really? Okay. Well, how specific is this? NAS, SPX. 1 minute sell stops. Of course, I'm typing them wrong computer because, and wait, 1 minute. 1 minute sell stops to NAS 30-minute blue line. I hope that's specific enough for you guys. Oh shit. And then where's that? NAS 30-minute blue line. And then there's 4 hour buy stop. Alright. And let's see if that's specific enough for you guys. Come on. Alright, here we go. Enough of that. We'll get back over here. Okay, next. We'll get out of here. Not a financial advisor, not a financial advisor. Never want to be a financial advisor. This is just for fun, laughing my fucking ass off. That's for NAS. US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30. Here we go. This is the bread and butter, and I love US 30. It reacts so good to the sniper. Sickening. US 30. So we're in a sell. Blah, blah, blah. Same thing. Blah, blah, blah. I'm going to do an unofficial, by the way, just so we're clear on this. I'm going to put this here like this. And I still say we're going to see a pull up before morning, so I'm going to write that out for you. Let's see. That's a weird place to put it. All 3 buy stops to blue lines. 1 minute. This will look clear. I don't want to mistake that one. Alright, go beans. Look at it go down. Alright, now, let's go back to what we're doing. Oop. 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 All right. 1 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. Still going to go down. It's going to dip. I mean, can we keep going? Yeah, play any 1 minute sell stops on the way down, but it's going to convert overnight. It will. Let me go to the 4 hour. You still not there? Yep, nope. And then the next up for US 30 is the 1 hour. Today, tomorrow. Tomorrow, no. Tuesday, US 30 will hit its 1 hour sell stop line. And then by Tuesday, NAS and SPX will have to hit their 30-minute or come close, horseshoes and hanging eggs, sell stop, 30-minute blue lines. That's what's going to happen. I'm not a genius. I just want to read that chart right there. All right, right here, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Yeah, 4 hour buy stop. 4 hour buy stops forming daily buy stop. You can play it off the daily blue line. This is for US 30 for all of them is what that is. All right, I love those reads. That worked out really well. I haven't used all my charts like I used to in a long time. I love reading 4 charts at once. You can't see it on TikTok, on YouTube, but you can on TikTok. All right, now, I missed everyone's questions or comments. I have no idea. Probably you guys are talking. I have no idea what's on. Precious Pips. I still get contacted by phonies. Kevin Bri will never contact you first. Absolutely. Hi, Kevin Bri. Says to somebody's happy Sunday night, Kevin Bri. Too silly for yeah, just ignore them.
Is that a swiper?
Who's that?
I think the Chinese profile picture of the door thing.
Where are they at? Oh, too silly Siberians?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Swiping.
that swiper no swiping. Nice, too silly Siberians. Love it. This is anytime safe trade family. We're all here for you. Yes, sir. Sean T loves this and it's worth it. Get it, never regret it. Thank you, Sean T, for speaking up without being asked. Yes, it's Swiper, says Too Silly. I love it, Too Silly Siberians. That's funny as fun. Oh, funny. Sorry. All right, here we go. Where am I at? What is this? Is this the live? I don't think so. Am I on live here? Yes. Yep. Why is it coming? Let's see. What? I think I broke the computer. Yeah, no. Why is it not moving? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Keith. Whoa. Okay, I've really done something. Sorry, I have a little trouble on YouTube. Those sell stops on NAS especially, I called out right when I first went live, should be making good money right now. All right, now. All right. The Wealth Creation Project, good evening. Good evening, Be Nice. Good evening, Shash. Good evening, Annie. Good evening, Terry Gross. Oh, I didn't miss anything on YouTube? That's amazing. Good evening, Terry Gross. Good evening, Madala. Good evening, Keith. What's up, Keith? Everyone thank Keith for the scanner rooms, for the scanners, for all the hard work he does. Thank you, Keith. Jamie. Good evening, Jamie. All right, so I think we're good. Just called out 14 different symbols. I'm sure it's very accurate now. They got 4 charts open. Should be great. What's up, Aladar? Says hello, Kevin and Bree. All right. Still working desperately hard on our sniper no sniping indicator set that we're working on for you guys, and I'm working on for you guys. Keith has figured out the technical issues of getting the rooms open. I'm still working out the actual important stuff. Well, that's important, sorry. The actual stuff that matters for trading. But I am very, I'm going to pull this over to NAS. Keith, you might have to put 4 charts per 2 symbols each room. Don't ask. But I know I got the 1 minute. I know I got the 5 minute. I'm pretty sure I got the 15 minute figured out too. Matter of fact, you guys can see that live. Everyone on YouTube should head over to TikTok. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the test. Yep. Look at that shit. Oh, not only figured it out, but I figured out the peak of the 5 minute trades. Oh, I was talking about the 15 more than that. Still though, it's right here too. It would have been right there. A little later, yeah. So if you guys on TikTok can see, let me show you what's going on. Current safe trade system is perfection. Now people have trouble with entries. So I made up a system that will do our short-term scalping trades for us. So it'll scalp for us 1 minute. Well, I also figured out the 5 minutes. Ooh, that's what this is right here. And I'm also getting to the fact that I can get the 15 minutes there, not yet. By the time we go live It'll be next Monday, the 17th. 17th, that we'll be going live on Monday the 17th, probably, maybe. I still have to make sure on the all the technical shit here. But I'm going to show you what it looks like so you can see it live. So let's go over to NAS and how I made this call. So what you're going to have of a regular, look at that thing. Man, we made so effing much money. Man, gone. You're up over 20 pips now in NAS. That's incredible for this time of day. Anywho, so what you got? Red, 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 green, super simple. Red, red, anyone can do it. Now you have your entry of pink crossing purple down here. Bip, bop, going down to here. That's your first exit, and you go in again, but there'll be another exit once you see this yellow line go down purple, but that's going in advance. So right now it's just this simple little thing. Pop, take your little pips. You're in and out, nice and quick. Now the reality is we now have the ability to do this with a 5-minute trade. And how we do it with the 5-minute trade is by seeing when the cut happened on this 15. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go back a little bit. And you can see the 15-minute rocked right here. It broke the, it was up, let me be clear what I'm saying. The purple was up above over here of our 98 line, it's called, so it's a 98, this one right here. And you can see right here where the yellow pulled away from the purple. That'll be your entry on the 5-minute. Again, these will be specific rules. Don't worry about trying to have to memorize this shit. It's not memorable right now. And you'll enter in, boom, right there. It'll drop down. That'll be your first entry, which happens to be the absolute peak of the 15-minute trade. It's crazy how it spots it. So anywho, so you'll see the peak of it, and then of course you can do any and all of your little 1-minute sell stops. 1-minute sell stop here, 1-minute sell stop there, 1-minute sell stop there, 1-minute sell stop, the one we just called right there, over and over, and another sell stop right here, and that's your true sell stop if you let the sell happen. And that's what it is. So don't worry, there'll be exact rules to follow. But the good news is we perfected the 1-minute, almost perfected the 5-minute, and really almost perfected the 15-minute also. So we're going to have, and anytime we get an upgrade or I do more on this sniper one, you guys get it for free. So it started with the 1-minute, you get the 5-minute added on for free if you're in the sniper rooms. If you get the 1-minute and 5 minutes and I perfect the 15-minute, you'll get that for free. If I perfect the 1-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, you'll get the 30-minute if I perfect that for free. And the 1 hour, I'll keep giving you all that for free in a sniper room, just so you know. And it is $150 a month. State Joseph says, wow, wow, wow. Thank Keith, can't wait for a noise. Open to print money, says fast. Thank Keith, hello, Kev Bri. Yep. Awesome. Make sure we give thanks to God, the system, and Bri. And we're all golden. All tire kickers out there. I hit 7 trades on my own tonight. Kevin is also generous with his calls. There's 2 simple things. The string system and the planning system. Yeah, I agree with that. J-Dog, this is another. Thank you, J-Dog, for speaking up. And Jamie speaking up, and Two Sides Experience for speaking up. Bree, yes, you need thanks, yes. Candy Apple says thanks, Keith. Norman Sendon says thank you, Keith, for Scandal Drop. Absolutely do. Absolutely. My card is ready for the sniper system. And now, again, do we want to go over this? Pressure, do you want to go over anything with this new system? You don't want to bring anything up? Okay, guys, listen. The people that are going to be chosen to go in the sniper system is this. We have hundreds. I think we're, about 300 in the regular. We're going to be real choosy who gets the sniper system. Listen to me. If we've had any issues with you in the past and you haven't really worked things out with us, meaning you were whining, or meaning if you were complaining, or meaning if you canceled your, that's a huge one, if you canceled your previous scanner subscription early before finishing it out, you will not even be eligible to get the sniper system. So everyone that's been negative and complaining and whining and saying negative things, we noticed. And you have to apply to get in the sniper system. And we're only taking the first 50 people. So, if you want the sniper system, don't ask us now. Do not email us. Do not ask now. We will send out either Sunday or Monday a notice saying we're opening up if it's still a go for Monday. Not this Monday, but next. Not this Monday, but the 17th. Okay? So I'm not talking about tomorrow. I'm talking about next Sunday and next Monday, the 17th. And if we're ready to go with it then, I will send out an email. And the email will say, hey, if you're interested in the applying for the sniper system, go ahead and send in an email to us, and then we'll go ahead and do it. Not now. If you send an email, that'll be ineligible. We won't even count it. So please do not email us until we tell you to email or ask you to send in your emails. And then at which time, first 50 get it, but it's not going to be the first 50 if you have caused us problems in the past. You will not be eligible for this. If you can't follow directions, these are going to be very specific directions for the scalper part of this. You have to be able to follow instructions. If you had problems following instructions in the past, again, you're not going to be eligible for the system. Now, if you worked at things, you did good, and you listened, and you tried, absolutely you're eligible for it. But we're not fooling around. This isn't going to be a whining fest. This will be exactly what to do. You do it, and you'll be okay. If you don't do it, you'll be blocked instantaneously. We're not letting you in. So this is trying to help you guys. We don't need any more headaches. I don't want any more negativity. I'm not going to listen to it. So I hope I'm clear on that. This is a privilege. The scanner rooms are a privilege. We don't have to do, the Discord is a privilege. We don't have to do any of that. And I swear to God, there's some days that Discord's hanging out by the skin of its teeth. There's absolutely some days. So I hope I'm clear on that, okay? Lou W says scalping is definitely, that's awesome. My card is ready. So if you guys like to scalp, it's great for you. James says this is before. I know you are. James Cochran. All right. If anyone didn't catch it, last Friday we had on Philip. Philip has made $440,000 since January 1st. Philip is just a regular dude. Philip had no training experience. I strongly recommend you go back and listen to Friday's call, the session I did, even though it was horrible audio. It was an amazing experience to have him on. Philip has a Bentley coming 814, paid for by the system. Philip quit his $140,000 a year job. Philip was just an average Joe. Philip had no training experience. Philip listened to me, followed my direction. He literally tells you that multiple times in the interview. He said, I'm not going to tell you how I trade because I trade just like Kevin. Listen to Kevin. He tells you what to do. He tells you that. And yet I still had people, how do I contact Phil? How do I contact Phil? Get the F out of here. You contact Phil by learning the damn system, by rewatching your training video for a month like he did. He said 5 weeks. Then he traded nothing but SPX for 4 weeks. And now he only trades US 30. And that's Phil.
Phil.
Totally motivating. Jamie Aaron says, on the road, putting right down and ready to listen. Scalping us anything in a row. Listen to Friday's call, super motivating was. I'm retiring into this year. Awesome, Lou W. Phil did. Phil, average Joe, swear to God. And I'm going to be honest with you, he didn't even pick up on the safety trade system fast compared to a lot of you. He did not, but he worked at it. He's kind of like the turtle. He worked and worked and worked and worked. Now remember, this is a whole new language. I have to give credit to Precious for that one, because Precious said it. She goes, you know what, Kev? This is a whole new language. They're expecting to learn Spanish or German in a week, fluently in a week or two. This is a whole new trading language. This is a great analogy. Some people can learn a language in, I guess, a week. Most people take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months to learn a language. I couldn't learn a second language if you paid me $1 million in a year. I can't speak a lick of Spanish. Well, Wiedersehen, oh, that's German.
No, you don't understand.
I don't understand. So no, but this safety trade system is a new language, and some of you think we had that email from that guy who will never get in the system, by the way, into the sniper system. Never. He thought he can learn it in 2 weeks. He's ready to quit. You can't learn a new language in 2 weeks. Can you learn a new language in 2 months? I don't know, but the safety trade system is a new trading language. I love that analogy. I can't thank Bri enough. Precious just comes through time and time again with her abilities to just be the greatest thing on earth. Think safe trade system, right? Everyone get that? He was very inspiring. No, total motivation. Totally motivation. Purifier, yeah, Lou W. But does everyone get the analogy of learning a new language? Listen to me. Everyone thinks, oh, red, red, blue, blah, blah, or red, red, green, blah, blah, blah. It's going to go down. And it does. But it's still, people have to understand, it's still a new way of trading, a new way of doing anything. And for Phil to pick up on it, it took him 3 months. Simple. Apollonia, thank you, Apollonia. I think she gets it. So yeah, it is a new language. It is a simple language. We're not learning Icelandic. I heard Icelandic was very hard to learn. It's not that, but it is still learning a new language, and it does take time. So that'll be my new analogy. Thanks to Bri. Thanks to Precious. All right, does anybody have any questions over anything on TikTok and YouTube? Also, thanks to Bri, you can Gmail us in your questions, because I can't read them. Sometimes they don't come up. And if they don't come up because you're trying to ask something silly. So you can't ask anything silly, otherwise it's a buy stop, by the way. It's going to arch back up, plus 1 minute line, and die back down again. Like all 3 indices. And that's what this is right here. I'm telling you right now, I keep an eye on that thing. Wait for this to flip around and come back up. Officially, 1 minute sell stop gap. Unofficially, it's going to arch up. We'll see. Maybe not now, maybe in 2-3 hours. Before 9 o'clock, 9:30 tomorrow morning, or right after 9:30, it'll touch the blue lines, and you'll see these things here come down. Does anybody have any questions over everything? These things right there. Right there, right there. Look at how beautiful. Just like a little rainbow. Green and red rainbow. Like the M&M's, Christmas M&M's. No, reading rainbow, reading rainbow. There we go. These will turn green right here. So be specific. Green, 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 green. Pop, 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 pop. I'll probably send you an email like 3 o'clock in the morning. Alright, it's open. Alright, anybody have questions on TikTok? Anybody have questions on YouTube? Let's see. He said Iberian Sunday. He was very inspiring. Phil says Jimmy Hustle. Jimmy, you're also Phil, by the way. There's like 20, 50, there's probably 50 Phils, female Phils too. And my point with Phil is he's just an average Joe. Below average Joe catching on with trading, actually. Don't be mean, but he was. He wasn't even average. But he worked at it, and he kept at it, and he listened to me, and he followed directions and rewatched his training video multiple times a day for 5 weeks, and he only traded SPX for 4 weeks. And then he went live and took $2,500 into $33,000. And those are euros, by the way. So 33,000 euros is way more than that in USD, by the way, just to look at it. And then he's made $460,000 year to date. Thank you, Kev Bri, and that. Okay. Thanks, God. Couldn't have done it without you. You're kicking fucking ass. How do we join PMLGM? Yay, I'm glad you asked. All right, let's go over there. I was just going to bring that up. Here we go. This is where you go to join. Go right over to here to the safetytrade.com. Boom. You'll see this weird looking thing. The only true place you can buy it. Don't fall for the scammers. Trust me on that one. The safetytrade.com. $575 for the year. Best $575 you ever spend. I'm not going to ask anyone to speak up, but if they want to speak up, feel free. Where do you think NAS is arching up to? 5 minute line that's going to hook and come back down again to the 30 minute NAS. Is exactly what it's going to do, not thinking. I'm retiring end of the year. You go, Lou. Nadal says, buy the system. I agree. Once you buy the system, you'll learn how to trade for yourself. But after you buy the system, you have to unlearn everything you thought, because there is no such thing as Fibonacci retracements. That's the old language. Where's Keith at? What code is old? Python or something? Or, I don't know, C code? Whatever coding language is old, it's old. Let's call it Latin. Trying to do current trading is trying to speak English with Latin. Okay, that didn't make no sense. But you guys get that. So there is no such thing. You have to unlearn, I don't know, Fibonacci retracements, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, naming of candles, naming of candle patterns, volume, VWAP. You have to unlearn all of that. Then you have to relearn the new language. The safetytrade.com language, the correct language of trading. And that language is easy, but you still have to learn it. Costs you $575. Once you buy the system and you unlearn what you have to learn, and you're starting to learn what you need to learn, I think this is going to be logged out. Watch. You go to get a type form as soon as you buy it. Yeah, I thought so. So the type form is not what I want right now. So hold on 1 second. Let's put this open here. Is a step-by-step way that we give you to walk you through. Why is it like that? That's kind of weird. right there. 1, 2, your NDA. There's a video, by the way. All you have to do with the NDA is sign it, and we have a video for you on how to sign it. Just saying. We make it kind of easy for you guys. The second thing is if you can follow instructions. Don't buy the system if you can't follow simple instructions. But if you can follow like a video on how to sign a form, it's putting your name on the form. It does it automatically. All you have to do is click it, by the way, and don't ask. Anyhow, yeah, we have people not do that. So at any rate, there's a type form that walks you through things. If you get the type form, you do it, right? Then you go ahead and actually send us your MetaTrader 4. We send you back the indicators, you install them. Then I do live training with you Monday, tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then I do after that at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, continuing education, which means I continually teach you guys live in small groups, just like your training with me is small groups on Mondays at 1. At 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, I do small group trainings, which is where you can ask specific questions. We can go over things and teach you things, or just show you how to use scanners, or do NADEX trading, or whatever. That's what it is. Sell, stop, fill in the gap, by the way. So that's it. And that's all we got. All right. Any other questions? Buy the system or continue wasting your life. Says, thank you, Tokyo. Who's Tokyo? That's 575. Thank you for speaking up, Wink Pheasant. This buy will change it. Thank you for speaking up, Kevin Alderman. It's the best deal on the internet and the only one that works flawlessly. Thank you, Jimmy Hustle. Jimmy Hustle knows what he's making a shit ton. PL Jr. Hope you join this training. It's awesome. Thank you, 2 Siberians. I hope I answered your questions, by the way. Yep. Thank you guys for speaking up on TikTok. Buy the damn system. There's Glow. Thank you, Glow. Thank you, Nadal, for speaking up, and Mike Linsky for speaking up. Now, I do know Mike Linsky for 45 years. I have no idea who these other people are, by the way. The Glow was my friend for 45 years. It's always confusing when you say the blue line. Does it mean it's going to reach the blue line or pass it? What's up, Savvy? Do you have the system? Yeah, if you had the system, you know what that means.
Well, hey, Nasser.
What's up, Nasser? Oh, that's on YouTube. Oh, okay, cool. Did not know that. Nasser. Says on Leela Brown, this is the best investment ever do. Thank you, Leela, for speaking up. You have the system, and you watched your training video. Have you had your trading savvy? If you had your training video and you watched it 50 times a week for 4 weeks, you know the answer to the blue line. It's very concerning that you do not know the answer to the blue line. So it means it will either touch it or get close to it. Yes. And in this case, I'm telling you it's going to go up over it. So you're savvy. Go watch your training video 50 times a week for 4 weeks, and I guarantee you'll know what the answer is. I actually 100% went over that with you. Yeah, no, don't be confused. Very simple. If it's trading to the blue line, if it's going down to the blue line, it will touch the blue line and it will turn these indicators here from red, in this case if it's a buy, to green. So if I'm calling it to the blue line, it's called horseshoes and hand grenades, H&H. Either it'll touch it, get close enough, or go past it. And that's gone over at least, if you're watching it 50 times a week, I've done it at least 2 or 3 times per training video. I would say you've heard that 200 times now at this point. No confusion necessary. Buy the systems to bless the life. Thank you, bless the life. It's not my safe to say. Keep watching training videos and don't forget your training rules. Absolutely, two Siberians. Hey, Kev Bri, hope you're well. Thank God for your existence. I can expect. Thank you, Tokyo. You're welcome, Sabi. Now put in the time. Go back and rewatch your training video 50 times a week like Phil did for 5 weeks like Phil did. Please. You'll get it. He didn't know what a blue line was. He didn't know what EMAs were. He didn't know what indicators were. He didn't know what candles were. Phil knew nothing about trading. Nothing.
No thing.
I mean nothing about trading. He was negative knowledge about trading. What's up, Gary Hill?
Hi, Gary.
Good evening, Gary. All right, guys, we're all done. See you later. Talk to you later on TikTok. I'm going to head over to YouTube for a split second. This is split second. It's too long anyway. Good night, everybody on TikTok. See ya. All right, YouTube, anything at all. Gary, Savvy, did I answer your questions? Leela, Mike Glowinski. Glow, are you Polish? Nadal, the Wealth Creation Project. Apollonia, Lou, anybody have questions? It's reloading on the 50 cal. Jamie Irver, thanks for everything you do, my brother. You're welcome. Jamie, thank you for being here, everybody. Precious, anything. I think we should do it Monday. You know? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wednesday, you won't be here. Oh, maybe everybody off TikTok. All right, free money Sundays. Free money Sundays. PL. I know you're Polish. Hold on. Good night, everyone. Jamie Rojo, if you go, you won't get any free money. Free money giveaway. Bree's going to ask out just one today. Just one this week. So our free money Fridays we didn't get to because we're busy as heck around here. But we're going to do free money Sunday, Friday, Sunday. We're doing free money Friday, Sunday. One question and one question only. So whoever's sticking around, Jamie says I will wait. $100 gift card going out to the next winner here. The next winner. Here we go. In 1 second. Give it just a minute. I'm going to pull this up because we don't need it. We're not actually talking about trading. So we're going to pull this up. Maybe. There we go. All right. And then she'll ask this question. What's it going to be about it? We know. Hot summer giveaway. It is a unofficial 1 minute sell stop. Boom, baby. Boom. Got to wait for that cross of that pink line before you can enter. And I would wait for it to arch up further, but you might not get that this time. I called it right here when we went live right here. You guys would be up almost 40 pips if you'd have took that call when I first went live. And now it's arching up to do it again. I don't think it's arched up enough though. Question. All right, summer question.
Something for the month of July, because we're in July. And here's the question.
For $100.
Can they hear?
Can they hear Bree?
First of all,
I can move that a little bit.
I think that thing picks up pretty well.
Can you guys hear Bree?
Yes. Okay. The month of July. Which historical personality from Rome is the month of July named after? I'll say about it. Which historical personality from Rome is the month of July named after?
And I'm Italian, so you got to get this right.
Somewhat, yeah.
Here, let me pull it over to you again one more time. This is good.
Which historical personality from Rome is the month of July named after?
Yep, that's not even the microphone. It's that one.
Oh. Well, Mike got it.
Mike Lewinsky. Julius who? Julius Caesar?
Alright, well, Mark.
No, go got it. You got to give it to him. Mike Lewinsky. Not rigged and not my friend of 45 years. Just won $100. Give it to him. He won. He said
Why
Julius.
would you do another one, though?
No.
Okay.
Oh, you mean a different question?
Oh,
Oh, okay.
why not?
Glow, you won.
Another question.
Da, 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 da,
I said
da,
the
da,
question.
da.
Why don't you just repeat it?
All right, fine.
Really loud.
I know. Next question. Last question of the night. Get it right. Told you I wouldn't take that sell stop right there. Pink hasn't crossed the purple, by the way, just saying. Glow. Email us, Glow.
You're the winner. She will send you a gift certificate to your favorite. And you're not getting any. No. Make him so he has to get some kind of healthy food. You're going to get it to the Lettuce Factory. That's what your $100 gift certificate is for. I don't know if they made such a thing, but that's what you get it for. Go get to eat lettuce. Way to go, Mike. Now, next, we have one more question coming up, and I'm going to repeat it so y'all can hear it.
Which United States president hosted the first barbecue at the White House?
Which U.S. president had the first barbecue what?
At the White House.
At the White House? Which president had the first cookout in the backyard? He opened up some brewskis, had some Polish sausages from Mike Lewinsky. Bush. Not Bush, and there's too many of them anyways. Marilyn Lee. Adams, said Aladar.
No.
Not Adams. Jackson, says Jamie Rojo.
Nope.
Mike Lewinsky said, you can't win again, Mike Lewinsky.
Nope.
If bad enough you're my friend and they think I'm cheating.
Nope.
Sandra, not Pitt. Who the hell's Pitta?
Yep. Johnson.
Which Johnson? Linda B?
Yeah.
Oh, Jamie Araby. Jamie. Jamie won. Just beat D-Man and Leela. Sorry, guys. You guys are just a second late. Jamie, send us an email, Jamie. Is he the next contestant on The Price is Right? Does he get to spin the wheel?
No.
Damn, Jamie, all you get is a $100 gift card. Andrew Jackson, Linda B. Johnson, Linda B. I had no idea that one. I knew Julius Caesar. I think I
If
said
you
it.
don't want an Amazon gift card, just email us where you want it to.
National chains only.
Right. It's got to be like something we can find.
And give it, because I don't want Bri wasting time on that shit. They said out loud.
It's fine, but I mean, it's like obviously if it's a local chain,
We can't
they're all
help
in
it.
different places. So.
See, everybody that didn't come over for TikTok missed $200 in giveaways. Mike Lewinsky and Jamie Araby made money. Congratulations, fellas. We should make it women only next time. So the women can high five.
Shannon won one time.
I think Kim won too, did she? No?
I'm not sure.
All right, guys. Any other questions before we go? Sell stop 1 minute looks a lot better right now. Be ready for that 1 minute sell stop on NAS. It's not perfect because the 5 minute's still too far away. And it's arching up right now. Ooh, I'd be very careful with that one, actually. Well, whatever. Blessed Life, that was fun. Yeah. All right, Sabby and Blessed Life and Kim the Candle Envy Lady and Jamie and Harold and Elila and Dean Man and Jamie and Sandro and Jamie Rojo and Mike Lewinsky and Aladara and Marilyn Lee. Good night from the Bob Evans crew. Good night from Bri and I. Two little people. Doing the best to help you guys. All right. Y'all have a good night. God bless.
Night, Alidar.
Night, Alidar. See ya. I got